Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today I am going to tell about some special addresses of IP address. There are some addresses where all bits are 0. We know 32 bits are used in IP addresses, and then if 32 zeros, or when we write it in dotted line, dotted denotation or dotted notation, then if all are 0, that means 0.0.0.0, then this type of addresses is called this host. Another type of addresses, we know that in IP addresses there are two parts, divided into two parts. One is for network prefix and another for host number. And in network prefix, some bits are reserved for highest order bit set, and after that some bits are for network and then for host number. In a network number, we can understand how many bits are used in that network. That means what class is that, because we know there are some classes which are 8/8, some /16/24, this type of network in class A, class B, class C, and we can understand which network are used in this network, and which class is used in this network by counting the bits. And if there are all zeros in a network number, then that is called this network. If all zeros, then this host, and if only zeros in network number, then that type of addresses are called this network. And if there are all ones, then that type of addresses are called broadcast. And if only host numbers are 1, then that type of addresses are called distant broadcast. And any addresses like 127.xy. something, that is, then we can say that this is a loopback address. Loopback address is used for testing network software. That's all. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are requested to subscribe my channel, like, comment my video, share my video. Thank you for watching my video.